Paint shop cleanup will bottleneck at the end of the class or the workday. With only one sink in the paint room, only one person can be washing brushes and tools at a time. If you wait until the end of the class to clean your paint tools, you will likely have to stay after class until it is your turn at the sink to clean them. The better option is to clean your paint tools as you go during class or throughout the workday. Each brush or roller can take 3 to 6 minutes to clean properly. Buckets and roller trays with dried paint can take several minutes to clean. Make sure you leave enough time to get the tools clean and free of all paint and paint residue. Cleaning paintbrushes properly will extend their life and also help them perform better while doing scene painting. Do not leave paintbrushes or rollers soaking in the sink or a bucket of water. Clean them out before you leave. Shake all the water out of the brushes after they are clean. Hang them to drip dry. Hang them on the hooks with the same size paintbrush as indicated by the labels above the hooks. Separate roller heads from roller frames after every use. Wash them both thoroughly and hang them each to dry in their designated locations. If you leave the roller heads on the frames, the paint residue will glue them to the frames, making later removal impossible. Place clean buckets, roller trays, and other tools on the drying area next to the sink. Do not stack wet buckets together. Keep them separate so that they can air dry. Put away the dry items at the start of the next work call. Wash out any cloth rags and hang them to dry. Do not leave them soaking in buckets. Do not leave them wadded up in balls. Do not allow them to dry with paint or glue residue. Rinse them out so that they can be reused again.